Hello everyone, welcome if this is your first time stopping by my channel, and welcome back if you've been here before or you are a subscriber. Thank you all for joining me. In today's lesson, we are learning phonics sounds A through L, part 1. Thank you all for joining me for this class. Next slide. About the teacher. My name is Margaret B. Lovick. I have a master's degree in educational leadership. I have a bachelor's degree in business administration, human resources management. I have an associate's degree in computer science. You can contact me via email or Skype should you desire to have a one-on-one lesson with me or to have a speak and practice with me or have any questions about this lesson or any lessons from the past. My email address is margaretlovick2664@gmail.com. My Skype address is live:_mlevick2664_1. I am also TOEFL certified. I have 6 years experience and practice helping students from all over the world, including helping them prepare for the IELTS exam. Please feel free to contact me via email or Skype should you need help in preparing for this exam. Next slide. Today's lesson objectives. First, to learn and practice phonics sounds A through L. Second, learn new vocabulary with each phonics sound. And finally, practice sentences and vocabulary using phonics sound. Next slide. A through L phonics sound. Next slide. This is an apple. 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 Next slide. A. 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 A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. Next slide. Our sentence. The apple is red. Again, the apple is red. Next slide. This is a ball. Ball. Next slide. B. 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 B is for ball. Ball. B is for ball. Next slide. Our sentence. My ball is yellow, blue, and green. Again, my ball is yellow, blue, and green. Next slide. This is a cat. Cat. Next slide. C. K. 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 C is for cat. Cat. C is for cat. Cat. Next slide. Our sentence. My cat is fat. Again, my cat is fat. Next slide. This is a dog. Dog. Next slide. D. 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 D is for dog. Dog. D is for dog. Dog. Next slide. Our sentence. My dog can run fast. Again, my dog can run fast. Next slide. This is an egg. Egg. Next slide. E, 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 e. E is for egg, egg, egg. Next slide. Our sentence. I ate eggs for breakfast. Again, I ate eggs for breakfast. Next slide. These are flowers. Flowers. Next slide. F. F is for hours. Flowers. Next slide. Our sentence. The flowers are beautiful. Again, the flowers are beautiful. Next slide. These are glasses. Glasses. Next slide. G, 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 g. G is for glasses. Glasses. G is for glasses. Next slide. Our sentence. I love my glasses. Again, I love my glasses. Next slide. This is a hen. Hen. Next slide. H. H is for hands. Hands. H is for hands. Next slide. Our sentence. I have two hands. I have two hands. Next slide. This is an igloo. Igloo. Next slide. I, 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 I. I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for igloo. Next slide. Our sentence. Let's get into the igloo to stay warm. Again, let's get into the igloo to stay warm. Next slide. This is jam. Jam. Next slide. J. J, j, j. J is for jam. Jam. J is for jam. Next slide. Our sentence. I love strawberry jam. Again, I love strawberry jam. Next slide. These are kids. Kids. Next slide. K. K is for is. Kids. K is for kids. Next slide. Our sentence. The kids are having fun. The kids are having fun. Next slide. This is a lion. Lion. Next slide. L. O. O. L is for a lion. Lion. L is for lion. Next slide. Aracentus. The lion is scary. Again, the lion is scary. This concludes our phonics lesson for today. Do you have any questions? Please leave me a comment with your questions, and I will answer you ASAP, as soon as possible. Next slide. Again, this is Margaret's English Camp. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this lesson and found value. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this lesson with others so that they can improve their phonics to help them improve their speaking and to learn better English. Next slide. See you next time. Practice, 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 because practice makes perfect. Mwah. Bye-bye.